So in regards to what you are being billed for each line on the invoice that has a part number, we need to determine which line on the purchase order that belongs to. And I'm actually wanting to shrink that a little bit. If we look at the purchase order and invoice information, we're going to look at part number first. And we're going to try and determine which line you're billed for based on the part number. If that part number is either not found in the purchase order or it's duplicated, such as this corner 1082, there's 2 lines with that, well, then we can't use that because that's not unique. So we're going to go to the next element. We're going to look at unit price. And 76.71, is there a unique price of 76.71? And we're going to go through the chain of items to find which lines you're being billed for. We can use part number, price, quantity, packing slip. We can use total dollar amounts. There's a variety of things that we can utilize to find out which line you are being billed for. It does not matter if you're partially billed for the purchase order, partially billed for an invoice line. It doesn't matter if lines are combined, if they are separated. There's various methods in which we use to help identify what those are. And we can even do levels of replacement where if the line is 1 line on the PO, but 2 lines on the invoice, well, we could do some consolidation, or we could do some separation where your purchase order is by each part of the kit, but the invoice is for the kit itself. And so there's different things we can do to help ensure that the invoice matches out to the purchase order for the line item information.